How to remove card from SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You'll be directed to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find a fin option. Navigate to the option of Me. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings page, different options will appear. Navigate to the option My Payment Options. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find the card. Now you have to click on that. Then remove all the card details, card number, expiration date, CVV, and then click on Done. With that, your payment method will be updated. Your card will be removed from the SHEIN. If you wanna again add it, you can come to this page, then provide all the details again and click on Confirm. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily remove any card from SHEIN. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.